What is happening? What is happening? Okay. Woo. Are our exes breaking the girl code when they date our friends? That's our discussion in this morning's Girl Talk. But before we get into the discussion, let's hear what you had to say via our social media pages. Let's go.
Right, on Instagram at ijan658. No.
I wonder how Ijan really feels.
Are you saying no? Is that what you're saying?
We're not sure.
It's just wrong on all angles.
What does it say? At SK says when it comes to love and attraction, anything can happen, and there's no set rules of any kind. Period.
Amelia Bella Land, your current partner is someone's ex, so why not? Just be respectful and tactful if you find yourself in that situation.
At Banky Morg says, why not? Love has no boundaries. How would I say?
On Facebook, Emily Brooks said not at all because it would seem they were at it before the breakup, so they just continued.
ONCD Randall says, whatsoever you are comfortable with, just make yourself happy. You have one life to live.
While Melcinda Smith-Drummond said, nope, not at all, no sanity there. Yeah.
So should men date
their ex-partner's friends?
So we're not talking about women at all?
Well,
or the same rules ought to apply?
I'm trying to figure out
I know
why
men have
the
bro
friend
code.
would date your friend's ex-partner.
Jesus, I feel like me I do maths at CXC. Come
Yeah.
again. I'm just figuring out why your friend would want to date
Should you date your friend's ex-partner?
friend's ex.
And whether the man should date his ex-partner. It's on both sides It's on both of them.
I hear men talk a lot about bro code. Bro code, you're my homie, you're my brethren, you're my dog. You can't. Do women have a sister code? I don't know.
You know what? It's just going to depend on why we're exes in the first place. It could be that we're in a relationship and after a while the two we realize, say, you know what? This is not going to work. We're just good friends and we're part amicably. And if we're part amicably and we're good friends and you think you're attracted to my friend and my friend is attracted to you, I don't have no problem. I don't have a problem. Where the problem is probably going to happen is if the breakup is so bitter, for want of a better word. Like, this guy really did me wrong. And you're my friend, and I'm telling you that, he did me wrong.
And your friend probably has said, left him.
And yeah, and that's not even just with a relationship. That's just with if anybody do you wrong and your friend is there telling you, oh my God, and then you sit them and your friend hug up. It's not even just about relationship. It's just about, oh my God, what?
Friendship.
It's about friendship and trust.
Yeah.
So I think that really is
It's funny. I think maybe a couple of years ago, I would have answered this question differently. So I'm actually recognizing my evolution even as I think about the question. Because initially, I think it would rub me the wrong way. But I have to understand the fact that, and this is how I look at everything now, right? Life is about getting you one shot to make you happy.
Right.
And if you are in a situation in which you are not happy, and I'm not saying to destroy anybody else's situation, but if you feel like your person is somebody who may have been with a friend of yours, and that's done and over with, and you see that there could actually be something there, I say, live your one life and explore it, because you never know.
Yeah.
Would I do it? I don't know. I'm just saying it could be a thing. Of course, no, it's something that you'd want to talk to your friend about and
Be
say,
transparent.
yes, you'd want to say, you know what, you and Clive dated 5 years ago. I realized you guys didn't work out. I think I feel something for Clive, and Clive seems to feel something for me, and it's something that we'd want to explore. Are you okay with that? You know, and the friend could say, sure, go ahead. Or the friend could say, what do you do in that instant? It's really up to you.
Yeah, yeah.
So maybe
Just
one time I say, no, I'm not like
respectful.
that, but yeah.
Just be
yeah.
respectful. Everybody just be respectful of each other, be transparent, and that's it. That really is the bottom line. Be respectful and be transparent. You know? If however, you and Clive break up today, and then next week, see.
Yeah, that trouble is there.
Then may I say,
Trouble's there, Jay.
especially if the reason for the breakup is I've been saying I think there's somebody else, I think he's disconnected, and you are say, achoo, yeah, achoo, making go on.
Or sometimes you say, how you and so close? Because we've spoken about that, right?
Yeah.
How your partner interacts with even your friends.
Yeah.
And if you see something that's fishy and intending, no, it's a problem. And then you all break up and
Me
then
not like it.
that's a problem.
No, if last week me and him break up and then me a pass somewhere and see the two of them,
Yeah.
me come sit down right now the middle of the rest and say, talk to me, what's going on here? This nice, eh?
You know something
And me order big food, eat
get up
it.
after, yeah.
Of course,
Them
and
pay.
say make them pay.
Fully.
Watch Christmas drop open. Me not, them for vex and hungry at the same time. Me a pick
Yeah.
a struggle.
Yeah, gas and heartbreak.
Me not vex and hungry
go well
same
together.
time, Chris. Not do that.
They owe you at that
My
point.
vex, but my belly full.
Just can't get off.
Yeah.
I agree.
You can't still look at my Spanish town.
Well said.
I'm not order fruit punch. No.
Done
May I have
for
the
right
wine
now.
list, please? I left it to one of it add up on
Even if it doesn't drink.
money pay.
Okay, folks. So that's our view.
Especially me not drink it.
Yeah,
You want a
take a
glass?
bottle.
No, I'm having a bottle.
Under your arm, walk out with
Open
that,
it
my
for me,
girl.
please. I'm gonna just pour a little bit and left the rest.
Not a problem.
No, I'm not. Yeah. I'm gonna be that petty.
Right home. You know, the high road is not always really that high. Sometimes you have to
I'm afraid
drive
of heights.
in the
I'm afraid of heights.
to the break, everybody. Rediscovering flow. We're back with that. Steve is here, looking very oddly at us at this discussion.
Yeah,
We'll get his views after. He thinks it's funny.
Smile a while.
So funny.